Hi everyone, welcome back to Electromechanical Paul. Now this could be a bit of a short video, it might be a little bit longer, I don't know. But as per normal, I thought I'd tackle something. It wasn't too much for me, but my back's killing me at the moment. Basically, last couple of months I've had a bit of a funny sniff coming from the washing machine. It smells actually like sweaty socks. Even though all the clothes come out clean and that, they've got a little bit of a funny smell to them. And I did joke to the girlfriend saying it's your sweaty socks making it smell, even though it's probably not, but no, they might be. So I thought, yeah, let's have a tackle of it, see what's wrong with it. Bearing in mind I'm also a appliance engineer as well. Hang on a minute, that's proof. Hang on a minute, where is it? Hang on. There you go. Yeah. Oh, so working on appliances ain't new to me. I've done it on and off a few years, but bear in mind if you do it, washing machines are very heavy. Even though I did take a concrete block out of it to make it a bit lighter, it's still heavy, especially if you're disabled. But yeah, I've got a few bits off it to clean it through. Inside looked quite clean, bit messy. I'll take the camera off the stand in a minute to show you what I'm doing and where I'm up to. But yeah, I don't know if I'll finish it all today, I might do. But the way I'm feeling at the moment, I need a break shortly. But this is about 3 years old, 4 years old, this washing machine, but I keep it quite clean. There's the washing machine. No, keep it quite clean. Yeah. I know the bearings are going slightly. If you want to test the bearings, yeah, what you do is you go inside and there's a little ridge up here. I don't know if you can see it. You put your finger on there, yeah, on the ridge, and see if you can lift the drum up very slightly. Actually feels alright now. But if you can lift it up and down very, very slightly, you find the bearings are going here. Anyway, what I've done is I've taken the concrete block off the top, make it lighter for me. This is the hose that needs cleaning out. That's the exit hose where the old water goes. I've got to take this out and clean that through, but it's not too bad, funny enough. Despite what you see there, I've seen them a lot worse. I've worked on a lot worse. Sorry about this, what this videos would be like. I'm not in much mood for doing this, but it needs to be done. Right, I've got a bowl of water and this scaler. Yeah, this scaler is very, very corrosive. So if you're doing this, remember I need to do hobby type of videos. It's not instructing you to do this. If you do it, you do it. It's on your own head. But use rubber gloves, yeah, which I haven't got. I've got mechanics ones. Right. This is what they call a sump, bottom part of the washing machine, where all the dirty water from your washing goes through here. And this plugs up with a load of muck and washing powder and scum, which is quite clean. Then that goes into here, and this is a pump, okay, and it goes into the side there, and the pipe goes on to the top there, and that goes to the other pipe I showed you, the grey one. So the pump was relatively clean. I'm going to still clean it out anyway, yeah, but not much good with this. That's the inside of it, it's not too bad in there. I would still give it a bit of a clean around, yeah. It's not brilliant, but it's not that bad. I've seen a lot worse, as I say. That's to stop a bit if it's in the front of the pump. That's okay as well. Clean. There's a few bits and pieces on there. I've cleaned it out. Soap dispenser tray was really, really, really messy. I won't say really, really messy actually, because I've seen a lot worse than what it was. But you can see what it's like at the edges there. Yeah. down the end there's a bit messy. It's getting a lot better. Yeah, it has some scaling bits in the bottom there, a few bits and pieces, and a clip, and a toothbrush, and also to help me I've got an old, it isn't new, it isn't new, it's an old washing up brush thingamajig, what you call it. Anyway, I'm going to get back to doing this, and I'll give you a shout a bit later on to let you know what it's looking like. Yeah, but remember, it's not a job I'll tell you to tackle on your own, or really not at all unless you know what you're doing. Yeah, alright, I shall carry on, and I'll see you lot folks shortly. Bye bye. Right, I'm back again, in the bathroom now. Now, in this pipe, it looked quite clean, but there was, matter of fact, a lot of muck and scum in that. I was quite surprised actually. If you clean it out, you need to get your fingers right on the inside of all these accordion bits, I don't know what you call it, bits of rubber, yeah. Also, there's a ball in there. The idea is that any air that's in there will drop down the water out, yeah, because it's air. And then as soon as it fills up, it goes back up and sealed underneath this lip, yeah. To be honest with you, the reason for doing that, I don't know, because when I've done my exam, he didn't have these in there, yeah. When I've done my certificate. But that ball fits behind there. When you take it out and put it in, be very careful you don't split anything. And make sure the ball floats, because in your unlikely event it's got a split in it, it'll let air into it, and water, sorry, and it probably won't work as well. Right, getting back to this. Needs a bit more soaking and stuff. It's still quite mucky, but I don't want to go too far. It's a lot better than what it was. You see all the muck in the bottom there. I've got most of that is out of that hose, but not all of it. And these pumps, they do come apart, but be careful when you take them apart, yeah, because you've got these little clips here on the edge. You've got to depress to undo it. I'm not going to show you how to do that, because you might snap it off and that's the end of the pump. You might say, it's your fault, you showed me how to do it. So yeah, if you do it, be very careful you don't break nothing. Yeah, bottom of this, I think it's quite scaled up, I don't know. I'll have to have a go at cleaning it off. It does look a bit, yeah, it's mucking it coming off it, see on my thumb. So, toothbrush on it, or perhaps the other brush, and carefully get rid of all the muck on it. Yeah, be careful as well, because it's electrical part here, you've got an electromagnet in there, yeah. And you also got a magnet in your normal one, yeah. And it makes it pulse around. It's not like a normal motor, it's a pulse motor. And then there's a housing of the pump, sorry. Yeah, the pump motor, or pump and pin apart fits in this end. Yeah, so I'll get that a bit of a clean up. But you can see how I'm going anyway. And yeah, I'll give you a shout again in a minute. Ta-ta for now. Well, hi folks. Well, it's a few hours later. In between, I've had my dinner and had some Go biscuits. Supposed to look like diet biscuits, but they're quite nice to eat on their own anyway. Right, I have done all this. So that's clean. All this is as clean as I can get most of it anyway. That's looking a lot better now. Obviously I think it's brilliant. The pump I took apart, and that's looking a lot better now. Remember this before? Look at that now, it's a lot better now. That's the pump body, cleaned out. This pipe here, which is the like what's the exhaust pipe or something. If you hear any bangs outside, it's Guy Fawkes night or firework night here. So there's loads of bangs and pops outside. Yeah, that's the water exit pipe from the washing machine, and that was completely bunged up with everything. The way I've done that is I put the end on a tap, and you gently stretch the pipe in your hands here and there, and you get, I must have got about a good few ounces of muck coming out of that. It kept coming out and coming out, and kind of washing it through, and it kept coming out. That yeah, it's not 100% clean, but it's probably about 95% clean now. So yeah, I'm still hurting quite a bit. I've had a couple of morphine tablets and a cup of tea, and see how we go. But I don't think I'll be finished off tonight. I feel too sore at the moment. But it's just a bit of a progress report of how far I'm up to. And yeah, I might perhaps do another couple of videos before I stick this on the internet. Alright, anyway, I'll speak to you later. Oh, before I go, that's the colour of the mucky water. I got out of most of it, out of the pump and stuff. And I chuck it down the sink and you'll see what it's like. Bear in mind, there's not all of the muck, a lot of it was in the pipe. Look, going down there. More going down. Gives you a bit of an idea what's in. It even looked clean. Look at all the muck in there, yeah? But to look at it, a lot of it looked quite clean anyway. And I do look after my machines. Even though it's like 4 years old, this machine, or 3 or 4, it still looks quite clean. And I do clean it out with these additives you put through the machines. Not Calgon. Calgon costs too much money. I use other stuff. Right, well that's that bit cleared out. Is it all these bangs outside? Hang on. I've probably finished now. Let's have a look outside, hang on. Yeah, there was something really close a minute ago, wasn't there? Can't see much over London. There's a pretty one in the background now. Yeah, kind of well. There's some just around here a minute ago, I heard, and it's pretty close. Oh, I can hear some big ones, but I can't see them. That's a bit boring, isn't it? Oh, by the way, it's a flight path. Flight path into Heathrow comes over here and goes into a stack. Oh well, right, let's go indoors. Yeah, so it was Guy Fawkes night on the 5th here, but because of the weekend, we're getting a few more things going off now. And there's the back of the washing machine. Looking a bit sorry for itself. Right, I'll log off and chat to you later. Bye. Okay, chap and chapesses. That's a soap dispenser drawer back in. I've done these 2 freshwater pipes. These are called solenoid valves, and depending on what program you put machine on, one are open, the other open, or both together. And the idea is that if this one opens, it divert water, you probably see it down that jet there. Or if this one opens, it diverts water down this jet here. Yeah. But if both open up at the same time, they cancel out each other, so they both clash there and go down the middle. Yeah, that's how it works. And I don't know if you'll be able to see. Probably not. Let's see. No, not that well, I don't think. There's a pipe down, a big pipe, it's about 1 inch around, yeah, and that feeds the washing powder and water into the main drum. Okay. Here is a programmer section. That's the main electronics in there. I did take it apart some time ago. I forget what reason it was for now. But we had a problem. Oh no, that's right. The motor wasn't running. That's right. And of course I went to this bit here, and then I found out after I all messed about there's a hidden broken wire on the motor. Anyway, that's all back together. Where's the drawer gone? Oh, incidentally, my other half made some pumpkin bread earlier on. Not looking too bad. But if I'm not around tomorrow, you know the reason why. It's either sweaty socks or smelly socks has got to me, or it's a pumpkin bread. Now, where did I do the bloody drawer, I don't know. Oh, here's the beaten soap dispensing drawer. Bit damp, but never mind. Put it back in there. Oh, there's needle on my toe. Pop, pop, whiz, whiz, bang, bang. Incidentally, Black Dog George, thanks to all your comments you gave me lately. Very much appreciated. Right, now next, I'm going to put this on here for a minute. Excuse me for a minute. Oh, my back. Make sure I missed that. That's it. Lift that forward. Come around here. Oh, a bit dark in here. Oh, and that's the bottom of it. Yeah, looks okay. So the pump fits into there. This part is part of the sump together with that other flexible pipe I've got as well. That fits on there. So yeah, I'll leave this on, but I don't know what quality it'll be, quite honestly. But if you can make it out, then I'm glad you can. Pops and bangs. Oh, where can I put this where you can see me? You see there? Yeah, you can see me a bit. I'll try not to get in the way, folks. So first of all, I'll carefully put the ball inside, like that. It isn't too hard. Then you've got like a clip which goes around here somewhere. There's still water inside this pipe. Get on there, boy. Don't know if that's good enough. I don't want to put it on that one as well. I don't know if far this goes down in the side. Let's get the pump before I put it on so I know it's facing the right way. Pump go that way. Pump goes that way. So that's got to go there, and that goes on to there. folks. That's a bit better than it. So it's got to face that way. Second, I've got to put this a bit the next notch down so I can feel it goes in a long way. And I'm not being rude either. That's it. So it was on this first lip here. I'll put it to the next lip down. That's it. That'll do. That will do. That'll do my mud plugs. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh man. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing now. Yeah, we can see it now. I don't know if you can see it now. Now I have to use two hands on this, so you're not going to be able to see it too well. Sorry, folks. Fine. Right, let's have a look at this now. Oh man, these pop and bangs. Let's have a look out here. That's some bang, isn't it? Oh. Bomb, isn't it? Yeah, that's a big one. Over there now. Oh. I don't know where to look. Hang on. I don't know where to look next. Anyway. I was getting up to get a clip. Did I get my clip? No, I didn't get a clip. Oh. fucking whiz bang pop. Right, put your back on here. You go a bit higher really, don't you? So, make it a bit higher. Yeah, that might help. Pliers. Oh. Okay, get these Euro clips, yeah. And get one of them, so squeeze it up, put it over there, and then we put the pipe the right way around. And then put it there. That's a pump into position. I ain't got the electric bit on the back yet. We'll squeeze. Oh man, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, folks. I'm going to bosh a little screw in the bottom of it just to hold it while I do my bits. Yeah, darling. Why? Oh man, I can do that, but I'm going to hurt myself. Yeah, what do you want, darling? Oh, okay.
Fireworks, hon.
Yeah, probably would be.
I'm missing something.
You're missing something. Oh, you want a kiss? Oh.
I've been missing it all day. You filming?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
I cut it out then.
I won't bother cutting it out.
I didn't know that you were filming. You should have said.
Yeah.
Well, you have to cut that bit out, won't you?
There you go. That's the other half. Just ask me for a kiss. Right, where was I? Everybody knows how rude you are. Oh, right. This ain't easy, this bit. This ain't gonna be easy. Oh, check that. The plug up my arse. Well, we're halfway on. Just got to take it easy. I have to get a little bit more than that. Just a little bit more. And make sure the clip's on square. Yep. See what I'm doing. These clips are so bloody big and strong. So that ends on. This ends on. That's a drain. And that's the outlet hose. That's what I'm looking for. Outlet hose. Right. It's gone. I've got the bit here. The impeller. So what way this fits on now. Is it that way? Or what? That's it, done. Yep, that's done. Bump. Mr. Dimsdale. Mr. Dimsdale. That's it. That's gone on. That's a little spray doody. Right, that's that. Now I've got to stick a bit of cable tie on this other pipe, so I had to cut it. Oh. see that. Just in here, yeah, cardboard tie, which I had to cut to get this pipe out. It looks right actually, but I'm not going to trust it. I'm going to put a new one in. Oh man. I have to put you down a minute. Bloody noise. I don't know if you can actually see what I'm doing. Probably can't. There you go. Thread cable tied through the holes, and that just holds that down there. Right, that's that. That's in, that's in, that's on, that's on. Oh, I'd have to show you this. Alright, I can't remember what end it was. I think it's that wire off the motor broke down off this end, yeah? And you couldn't see it. And I checked everything out and it just wouldn't go. And then after a little while I had the thing on, had the washing machine on, and I kept bringing the back wire and it would start to move and stop, move and stop. And that's how I found out. There's a wire down here broken. Oh man. Right behind where you can't see it. I'm not going to stress it too much. There's a little wire there. Yeah, you can't see a little wire in there, which I was able to solder back onto. Right, I'm going to turn you off now for a little while, so I can stand the washing machine back up. So I'll see you shortly. Okay folks, well, I can't for the life of me find the inlet hose. I can't find it anywhere. I've looked high and low, and admittedly, yes, we do actually have spirits here, like the ghosty type of spirits who do actually move things, that's honest, yeah. Things that go missing and get moved around is nobody's business, yeah. Girlfriend was sitting on the toilet the other night, she had a big sweep lobbed towards her down the hallway. Anyway, let's get away from the subject. In the end of the, oh here's the inlet hose, look, right, I couldn't see it, look here it is. Right, in the end of it, there's normally a filter. Now I don't have to clean this one out, but there's a few bits in there. Don't know if you can see that. There actually, I think there was a few more, but they've got cleaned out. Yeah, here's the inlet hose. And it'll normally be in the end what goes to the tap. Yeah, so it'll be in there. So I shall give this a bit of a clean out. Yeah. And I shall put it back on the machine. And yeah, we've got a nice bit of beef there for tomorrow, and probably last the next couple of days. And that is, well, just under £13, a nice bit of beef. Another problem is, anytime you get these bits of concrete, and they do sometimes break, yeah, you can actually make your own up. See, what I've done here is I've put a couple here, yeah, a couple of these slabs here, and it seems to weigh it down quite nicely, but you might have to drill new holes into it, yeah, for the bolts to fit. Here's the bolts, they're quite big, so if you're doing a hole through there, yeah, then better screw that into there, yeah. But at the moment, see, my concrete isn't broken, yeah, so it's alright, but that's something you could do. Yeah? Just if your girlfriend likes baking. Haha. Alright, catch you again shortly. Oh, just a very quick video to finish up with. Apart from putting the back and the top on, it's all working okay. There's no water leaks. You can see it going around there, water on it. Yeah. It's all working okay. No water leaks or anything. So that's all hunky-dory. And I'm going to put it. Let's turn the program off. That's it. Straining out. No water leaks. And I'm happy. And there you go. Another jobbed. Catch you later. Sorry about this. Another video's been stop and start all the way through. That's how I do it. At least you can see what's involved. Don't undertake it unless you know what you're doing. Speak to you later. Bye bye. Oh, before I go, please remember, please like, please subscribe, and please leave a comment if you have one. Thank you. Goodbye.